I'm Kate, Trend Ambassador for Tile Outlets of America. Today, I want to talk all about the fun shapes that are available in mosaics. Traditional squares and rectangles are still popular, but unique shapes are becoming more common. The tiles in this shower are all soft white, but the hexagon feature wall adds style and breaks up the monotony. Hexagons look great in many rooms and in both contemporary and traditional design styles. This pool features a circle mosaic, which complements the round shape of the hot tub. And this is my favorite shape, the lantern. We see it here on a bathroom wall. Most commonly, I see this in white marble, but other varieties are also available. When you're ready to create your mosaic feature, come see us at Tile Outlets of America. To watch for more trend updates, subscribe to our featured trend emails on our website, browse trends on our blog, and shop online. Visit one of our stores in Fort Myers, Sarasota, or Tampa.